Hi everyone, this is Laudiaann Silvis, and what you see is my YouTube channel, and this is one of my newest YouTube channel that I have just created. I'm learning all about how to do channels, and actually it's been doing very well. So what I did a few days ago, I have been cleaning up my YouTube channel. Um, Actually taking every video here that you see, ranking my YouTube videos in the and scoring my SEO in a higher ranking. Let me just share with you. Okay, let me just turn this one off. Every one of my video has a score of SEO of 100. And the reason why is because I want to optimize all my videos, get more exposure to Google. Google search engine um, will be able to see all your keywords that you have um, created in your video. Okay, if you do not score your videos, they will not be seen. So if you want more viewers, you're gonna have to actually increase the ranking of your SEO score. Okay. Um, every video I have done, it took a while for me, but I related all my videos with certain keywords, whatever I'm talking about the video, and I would right here that you see, these are the keywords that I've used. You have to have like 3 or 4 keywords written here, and what you have to do in order to score it high, okay, um, do the search engine and go into the keyword tool, get some ideas, and check out the keywords. But I use my keywords related to my video. Plus, I also make a thumbnail with all my videos. And you're going to go down here, see if I go to edit. Okay. I actually copy and paste my keywords here to down here. And then I put my website link there. And I scroll all the way down, and I pick the keywords, the tags of my videos. Okay. So whatever you have up here, you're gonna have to go ahead and include it in your tags. Okay, because if you don't, um, it won't be able to pick up the keywords to your videos. And that's actually how I actually increase my score. So you have to play around with it, and you have to find good keywords by just typing in a search. Uh, for instance, if I do live stream webinar, and I just put live stream webinar. Um, uh, I'm in the wrong area. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to type it up here. Let me just move my, because you won't be able to see it. Okay, it's up here. So if you want to put, doing a search engine in Google, live stream webinar. And then see, you got all these keywords that you can use. Okay, sometimes you have to be creative with your keywords. So, for instance, I would use live stream webinar Zoom. You can use that as a keyword title as long as you put it in here and put it in your tagging, okay? And you have to have so many taggings in your box here. In order to really get good vibes with tagging and scoring your SEO, I have an account with TubeBuddy. So